So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Duolingo stuck on loading screen, clear cache, update and login fix. So how to fix Duolingo stuck on loading screen. The Duolingo app can get stuck on the loading screen due to outdated version, corrupted cache, poor internet connection or temporary server issue. So how to fix it? Restart your phone, clear cache, update or reinstall the app, check your internet connection and log out, then back in to refresh your account. Fixes are: restart the app and your phone. First, close the Duolingo app completely so it is not running in the background. Then restart your phone and open Duolingo again. Sometimes the app just gets stuck temporarily and a quick restart fixes it instantly. Press and hold the power button on your Android phone. Tap on the restart option when the menu appears. Wait for the phone to turn off and turn back on. Then open your app again. Press and hold the side button plus volume button until the power screen appears. Side to power off. Then wait a few seconds, press the side button again to turn the power iPhone back on. Fix 2 is clear cache to remove temporary bugs. This will remove temporary files that might be causing the loading problem without deleting your process. In Android, open setting on your phone, go to apps, then Duolingo, then storage, then tap clear cache. This removes temporary bugs but keeps your progress safe. This is no direct option to clear cache on Apple. You can reinstall the app. Third fix is update the app to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store or App Store depending on your device, search for Duolingo and check if an update is available. If yes, install the update because outdated version often cause loading issues. Fourth fix is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable and not slow. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. If you are using Wi-Fi, restart your router can also fix this issue. Fifth fix is reinstall the app if nothing works. If the app is still stuck, uninstall Duolingo from the phone. Restart your device, then install the app again from the store. This gives you a fresh version of the app and remove any hidden errors. Press and hold the Duolingo app icon, tap remove app, delete install app, restart your phone, go to App Store or Play Store and install Duolingo again. Wait for some time. If everything looks fine but the app is still loading, the issue might be on Duolingo side. In that case, waiting for some time and trying again later usually solve it. You can check the server status by visiting the official status page. Thank you.